Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, with iOS 18, Apple introduced a new feature which helps you hide distracting items on web pages. Yes, that feature can be used to hide or block ads, and in this video I will show you how you can use it. As you can see it right here that my iPhone is indeed on iOS 18. Using this new feature is very simple. Simply open Safari and head to any website or web page you want to hide distracting items from. So now simply hit this button here at the bottom and you will see this option to hide distracting items. Hit it and then select any item you want to hide. So I will select this one and then simply tap hide. As you can see, it is now hidden. Likewise, you can do so with other content as well. Alright, and now to bring it back, hit done. Then you will see this little eye. Simply hit it and then hit show hidden items. You will see this pop up. Hit show and they are all back. One more good thing is, so for example, I hide an item or items. Alright, now I hit done. Now I revisit the page or refresh it. You can see the items which I hid are hidden now, so the preferences are remembered. However, any recurring content will not be hidden. Now let's try it on another web page. So I want to hide an item such as this one. Now I refresh the page. You can see the item is kept hidden. Even if I revisit it, alright, I will be revisiting the previous page which we hid the items from. As you can see, it works. The preferences are remembered and the items we hid are kept hidden. Again, to show these items, you can simply hit this eye here, then hit show hidden items, show, and they are back. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.